We also have flexibility when it comes to Sophos MDR, right? Different organizations want to work different ways with managed services. Both of these options, or all of these options, are free. They're included for any sort of brand of any sort of flavor of MDR that you go with. It's simply how you want to work alongside Sophos and how you want to work alongside CSG. So on one end of the spectrum, we have what we call collaborate. If we see an incident, we investigate it. We determine that there needs to be a response action taken by a human. We'll reach out to you. We'll reach out to CSG and we'll say, look, we want to take this action. Can you give us consent to do this? Or do you want to do it yourself? But it's sort of a notification. You've still got the expertise on hand, but we let you know what we want to do before we do anything. We don't have consent to take that action. And then the other end of the spectrum, we have authorize. 24/7, we will take whatever action when we're required to make sure that you're staying safe, make sure that we're neutralizing and containing threats as we discover them, as we investigate them. And we also have a third option down the bottom left there, and that is where you can sit on collaborate, but if we can't get in contact with you, if you're on leave, if you're on Christmas break, if it's 3 a.m. on a Sunday, we automatically switch into authorize. So during the day, we'll reach out to CSG as your partner. We'll reach out to yourselves as well via CSG. We'll all have a conversation, and you can see, what we want to do. You can understand how we're approaching a problem, what actions we're taking. But if we can't get in contact with you, you're still going to be protected, and we'll automatically switch to that authorized mode and perform those response actions to make sure that we are fully remediating any threats that are appearing across that technology stack. So there's a lot of flexibility with how we respond with customers and how we work alongside CSG as well.